Divide and conquer is a strategy employed by the powerful to maintain control over the masses, creating divisions that distract from their common struggles. In a world fueled by polarization, media outlets amplify differences, creating an us versus them mentality that keeps people focused on their immediate adversaries. Mistrust is sown among communities, as fabricated threats foster fear and suspicion, making collaboration for a common cause nearly impossible. The illusion of choice is crafted, with surface-level conflicts distracting from the true power dynamics at play as people remain oblivious to their shared manipulation. Conflict becomes the ultimate distraction, keeping the public embroiled in cultural battles while systemic oppression quietly continues to thrive in the shadows. Behind the scenes, puppet masters craft narratives, controlling information to steer public opinion while real issues fade into obscurity. But in the shadows, a movement begins to rise, as individuals recognize the manipulation and seek solidarity across divides, united for justice and equality. As the call for unity echoes, the once divided masses begin to break free from their chains of division, standing together to challenge the true sources of power. The battle for unity escalates as the tension builds between those seeking justice and the forces intent on maintaining the status quo. In the heart of the struggle, activists convene to devise a plan, fueled by a shared resolve to dismantle the structures that divide them. In the heat of confrontation, the spirit of defiance ignites as individuals stand firm, united against the forces attempting to silence them. Amidst the chaos, art becomes a powerful medium of expression, capturing the essence of their struggle and inspiring others to join the cause. As night falls, the fire of resistance burns brighter, signaling a pivotal shift where whispers of unity transform into a roaring movement. With newfound strength, leaders emerge, embodying the spirit of unity and speaking out against the puppet masters who seek to divide them. The movement gains momentum as barriers fall and solidarity blooms, showcasing the transformative power of collective action against division. As the march progresses, the atmosphere shifts, revealing that even the most entrenched divides can be softened through shared humanity and empathy. In the face of adversity, the determination of the people stands firm, a testament to their resolve to rise together against oppression.